Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Chandraban Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make commutable simple wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribe and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Light 2A switch 1, 2A switch 2. Neutral connection to 2A switch 2. Neutral connection to 2A switch 1. Phase connection to 2A switch another point. Phase connection to 2A switch 1 L1 point. Phase connection outgoing from switch 1 common connection to light. Neutral connection outgoing from switch 2 common terminal to light neutral point. Viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Share my video to your friend and to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.